Okay, well, welcome everybody. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what part of the world you're joining us from. This is our monthly session called Founder Connect. Purpose of the call is for you guys to meet each other. And I met a lot of you already, and it's a pleasure to meet anyone new joining the program as well. Once called upon, I appreciate if you introduce yourself, tell us a little about your company, and as well if there's any help you can provide other founders, or if you're looking for support from other founders. So this session is for you folks. So let's go ahead and get started. First person on my screen is Taylor. Go ahead, Taylor.
Hi, I'm Taylor Meadows. I'm the CEO and founder of Change Captain. We help companies that are building software save up to 50% of their software development spend by automating your tax savings, so R&D tax credits and amortization. Plus, we also automate any compliance requirements you might have around the software development lifecycle. That way, if you have any audits you have to deal with, we automate all that away, so you don't have to worry about it. And best of all, we only charge 1% of what we're able to save you in taxes to really make it a no-brainer decision. So if you have any interest, feel free to reach out to me.
Thanks so much, Taylor.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm on the okay, Parth.
Cool. So my name is Parth. You can call me PC. So I am into a manufacturing business. So I have two manufacturing industries. We manufacture by the company name called Connect Packaging International. So what we do is we manufacture specialized paper, which is used to cover the steel, metal automobile industry so that it does not catch corrosion during the transit and making of it. So right now this company, it's only been 1.5 years, but we have done pretty well when it comes to exports into European Union and different places. We haven't got a hold of the American market yet, but looking into the possibilities and other possibilities of networking, we would definitely look forward into it where we can maintain and build new partnerships to expand ourselves. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you, Parth. Jamie Lynn Segal.
See you guys. My name is Jamlin Siegel, co-founder of ScriptDoor. We are in the digital content space. Our platform fuses Web 2 and Web 3. We have an AI content agent in our platform that simplifies the global digital content distribution, whether it's business to business or whether it's direct to consumer. We also give businesses and creators full autonomy to monetize their content the way they want, whether it's virtual currencies or whether it's fiat money. So in short, it's we're creating one ecosystem for digital content that is autonomous, intelligent, and borderless. Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Okay, let me go to Mikhail Limburg.
Thanks. Hi, everybody. I'm Michael, and I'm CEO of MyBizAI. We are building an AI-powered business intelligence platform for SMB. And we think that's a space that's really interesting to be working on because it's a segment that's largely been underserved by traditional BI platforms that were either too expensive or too difficult to use or required external expertise and manpower. So we're really excited about this. We're currently in private testing. If you want to be an early partner, feel free to reach out to me. I posted my LinkedIn in the chat as well. Happy to meet everybody.
Thank you, Michael. Okay, Reza, please.
Hello, everyone. My name is Reza. I don't know if you're seeing me. There might be something wrong with my camera. I'm the founder of Milo AI. We are developing an AI-powered data analytics platform for data analysts to get to insight faster and more efficiently. We are developing AI agents for data analytics workflows. We are operating in the business intelligence market. It's a very big and growing market. We are somehow similar to Power BI or Tableau and more modern business intelligence platform like Data IQ, Hex. What differentiates us is our AI agents automating and making that process of data analytics workflow more efficient. Currently, we have a beta version of our platform available for testing out there. And we are looking for anyone interested to be a beta tester. We have a lot of data in our platform, lots of public data in our platform that you can play with. Like, for example, you load a data set and it will build a dashboard for you from scratch. Or you can bring your own data and give it a try. Thank you. Looking forward to getting to you all.
Thank you, Reza. And folks, feel free to share also where you're joining us from. We have an international cohorts here. So, all right, let me go to Noah, please.
Hello, I am Noah Sleibo, the founder of Sleibo platform. We built a marketplace to connect security guards with clients in a similar way how Uber connected cab drivers with passengers. We're based in London, and our platform also use AI, kind of like text to voice incident report. So when security guard find an incident, they can just describe what they can see, and our AI system helps them to write the incident report. And also we currently looking for clients, and also everyone connect us with clients that need security guard, or come to London need a person security guard can get in touch with us. And when someone connect us with security guard, we're giving a lifelong commissions for each client introduced. I will share my LinkedIn here, and looking forward to connect. Thank you.
Thank you, Noah. Okay, Jermaine, please.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So yeah, I'm Jermaine, calling from the UK in Birmingham. I'm the founder of Social Locket. So it's pretty much a fintech real estate platform that opens the doors for everyone to invest in fractions of real estate. So with the rising cost of living and the rising cost of living and the rising cost of inflation, it's pretty much hard for the younger generation in terms of the degens to get onto the property ladder. So what we do is we utilize the blockchain to break that down into smaller fractions to allow them to gain ownership to start building their portfolio for, at the moment, as little as $100.
Thank you. Adon, please.
Hi, everyone. I'm Aidan from Toronto, Canada, and I'm a solo technical, fully bootstrapped founder. I've built TrackStack, which is a no-code build your own funnel website. So think like a Substack type content marketing platform that takes care of all the SEO and all the technical stuff like images and whatnot, just to make sure the site performs, takes all the complexity out of it, but with the extensibility of WordPress. So it's a simple visual website builder that is designed for funnel type websites. So whether it's a knowledge funnel, a product funnel, sales funnel, the notion of as you interact, as people kind of visit your site and interact with your funnel, not all leads are your target leads. So how through content interactions can you kind of expose or invite the appropriate leads to engage further. So I've got this kind of feature called Magic Paths, where you can create these almost like a choose your own adventure, but seamlessly integrated within the narrative. And I've got a bunch of generative AI features and a video to text integration for digital content, video content, and so forth. So I'm kind of early stages. I've got the platform built now, and I'm in the process now of kind of bringing it to market. So it's super excited to get there's stuff I don't even know I need, and just grateful to be a part of this and take advantage of all the input and the feedback. So thank you.
Amazing. Thank you, Aidan. And folks, this is Gaber.
Yes, good morning, everybody. I am Gabor. Basically, I have a software company, HumanSoft, and started another company with a friend of mine called Friending. And we basically realized that, especially in the US, people are very isolated and have 1,000 friends on Facebook pages which they never met. So our premise is to bring people from the virtual world back to your local physical world and actually meet people. And the platform name is Friending, friending.com. So check it out if you're looking for people. Thank you for your time.
Amazing. Thank you. Bossy, please.
So hi, everyone. I am a founder of the Foundations Project. I usually work in a couple of areas day to day. So I have a learning group for English learners, and I also am a career counselor, but I've joined the accelerator to work on more of a passion project where I'd like to build a product that can give kind of daily tidbits of information for continuous learning, kind of like slow learning for those of us who consider ourselves lifelong learners. So it's just at the start. I'm only in the program for a few weeks, but it's great to meet everyone, and I'm looking forward to learning a lot.
Amazing. Thank you, Bessie. Okay, Jonathan, call on, please.
Yep. Hi, my name is Jonathan Colon. I'm currently CEO and co-founder of a company called Prometheus Investors and Prometheus Nexus. What my team is building is an AI-powered real estate intelligence platform that gives institutional investors and developers a first mover advantage in emerging markets. Just because when you go into emerging markets, the quality of information isn't as good as what you would have in the United States. So trying to develop metrics for investors is what my team is doing. So we're leveraging alternative data in sources like satellite imagery, mobile geolocation, infrastructure maps, and legal frameworks. And we're also helping investors identify undervalued markets and navigating complex regulatory environments. Currently, we're in our prototype phase, but we're talking with real estate developers and different REITs in developing this project. And I think what we're looking for is mainly just strategic partnerships and other investors. Additionally, we want a small grant from Blackstone.
All right. Thank you, Jonathan. Let's go to Vinay, please.
Hi, so Vinay also, founder of Kelvin.ai. We are building industrial intelligence, helping small and medium scale industries from avoiding machine breakdowns and having good maintenance of the machines such that they'll increase their productivity and avoid factory accidents and safety incidents. So we are having, it's a SaaS model that has hardware and software. That is, I'm currently based out of India, and we do have some private testing currently going on. Thank you for allowing us onto Peachscore, and we're currently looking for raising another round of investment. We already raised some 75K USD, and we're looking for more collaboration. And thank you for all the support, Payman and other team. Thank you.
Yeah, our pleasure. Thank you. Okay, let me go to Bob, please.
Hi, everybody. So Bob Vopel here from Toronto. We are a technology SaaS supply chain as a service platform, Netwheela Applications Corp. We have had raised a seed round, and now we're in progressing to either a pre-Series A round. And yeah, we've kind of launched in the COVID era, and supply chain disruption seems to be the new thing. So we're a platform that supports end-to-end connectivity and an operational platform. Nice to meet you all.
Amazing. Thank you. Okay, Maliha, please.
Hi, everyone. I'm Maliha Akil. I'm also from Toronto, Canada. I'm founder of the Ideas Collective. We're a strategic consultancy that helps B2B companies get noticed for what they know through strategic thought leadership. We take their team's experience, insights, big ideas, and we turn them into clear, useful content that will educate and engage their customers, investors, and stakeholders. And this might look like articles, white papers, reports, social media, or even speaking opportunities for executives. We're currently working on an AI-powered platform. It's in the prototype stage that will automate the content strategy development and operations to facilitate the speed to market for thought leadership programs for these companies.
Great. Thank you. Dave, please.
Hi, everyone. Dave Krasny from Centuria Medical. We're based in Santa Fe, New Mexico. We're developing a medical device that will make laparoscopic surgical procedures safer for patients and more efficient for surgeons and cost less for everyone. If we can be helpful at all, we've won multiple National Science Foundation grants If anybody's exploring non-dilutive funding and we could be of any help or assistance, please feel free to reach out.
Okay, thank you, Dave. Richard.
Hi, everybody. My name is Richard Squires. My company is NARA, which is short for narrator and narrative. NARA is an AI-powered storytelling system right now intended for seniors. It makes it very easy to tell, capture, and share stories with family and loved ones. Our goal is that families don't lose their precious stories, but rather share them proudly for their families to cherish now and into the future. And the stories, when printed, might look something like this, a memoir. Writing your own story is no easy task, but our system makes it very easy. Technology, as far as the users is concerned, is not really a barrier. All you have to do is make a phone call. The NARA system has a built-in interviewer that elicits rich stories, stories in rich detail, and the conversations are then written into stories that read well, and they're formatted into a variety of keepsakes to enjoy, such as a printed book, digital book, videos, audiobooks, etc. Our focus right now is we're running small workshops for seniors at homes and senior centers. We're looking to connect with anyone who can help us bring our service to seniors, people who have stories to capture and share. We've done a round of capital raising, and we're looking for angel investors as well. Thanks, everyone. Looking forward to connecting.
Thank you, Richard. Wisdom, please.
Hi, everyone. My name is Wisdom. I'm based in Estonia. You may be wondering where that is in the world. But I'm CEO and founder of Invisible Diversity. We work with neurodivergent persons in the workplace to begin with, to improve their productivity and well-being. We're building a platform that will become a community for neurodivergent persons. And through that, they're able to access services and tools, AI-powered tools that will help them in improving productivity. Thank you.
Thank you, Wisdom. Michael Davis.
Good morning. I'm calling from Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm Dr. Michael Davis. I'm also known as Dr. Budsy. This is my product. We use AI. We're not an AI company, but we use AI for our sales, marketing, and advertising. Our physical product, say, is Dr. Budsy's Medicated Hooch. What it is a ultra fast acting THC cannabinoid drink additive. And our product we sell from drbudsies.com. I'll put a link in the chat. But like I said, we have a brand new product, and would like to, anybody interested in this, reach out to me. Again, it's my Dr. Budsy. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you, Michael. Dan Edmonds, please.
Hi, good afternoon from the United Kingdom. My name's Dan. I'm the founder and CEO of Esplanare Limited. We're a defence tech company who do a lot of work with the Ministry of Defence and government sectors in the UK, and have developed some interesting products that are all on our website. I've put a link in the chat if you want to go and have a look. Our flagship product being Concilium, which is a command and control platform to allow multiple companies to be able to engage with a system and be able to add more value to clients in the point of view of autonomous security. More than happy to chat about this to anyone who has an interest. My interest in Peachscore and more so the United States is getting access into the States, mainly looking for VCs and angel investors who are interested in help scale this product. Thank you very much.
Amazing. Thank you, Dan. Next, let's go to O, please.
Hello, my name is O, and I'm a co-founder of Filters Are Us. We are an AI personalized AR lookbooks publisher. We help brands move beyond static images and passive viewing experience. Readers today don't want to just flip through books and magazines. They want to see themselves in your story. So as they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words, an experience is worth 1,000 pictures. So this new approach help you close the gap between, browser to buyer and convert readers to a buying experience. Currently, I'm looking for people who want to try our augmented reality magazine as a beta user. And I'm in Silicon Valley, so probably my offer would be, the network. So please feel free to connect with me. There's many people that I go to meet up and meet every day here, investors and and angel investors. Thank you.
Thank you. Aubrey, please.
Hi, everyone. Great to see you. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Hilltop, and Hilltop is an AI native constituent engagement tool. I'm based in Washington, D.C., and have worked on Capitol Hill. And what we're solving is we're bringing technology to a very antiquated system of how voters reach their lawmakers. So we've got two main products. One is a voter-facing product called Civic. The other is an advocacy platform called Hilltop, where we help nonprofits advocate for their policy priorities. We are currently going to market with our two products, and what I am looking for in this group is probably help with PR or advice for PR, marketing, comms. And then I've got a pretty deep network in Washington, D.C., specifically Dan, I might be able to help you with the defense tech space.
Amazing. Thank you, Aubrey. By the way, check the perks section for one of our partners that does PR. We can talk later. Armin.
Hi, nice to meet you, everyone. My name is Armin. I'm a co-founder and CEO of BioAccess Platforms, based in Palo Alto, California. What we do, we have a AI-powered predictive analytics tools platform for the biotech and the biopharma companies to predict their revenue.
Great. Thank you so much. Min, please.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. So I'm Min, CEO and co-founder of Miranki. So we are based in Luxembourg, and we are building what we call a collective superintelligence. So in a short, we have already deployed two solutions, one for B2C. It's called Simplify, for helping you to write messages on the mobile phone. And the second flagship product that we launched recently is Senplex, which is a platform to deploy and manage AI assistant, but also agentic workflow. So we are focusing for the moment an offering around an autonomous sales development representative. And yeah, so good to have some knowledge and experience from Peachscore, and maybe we'll meet at the Vivatech in Paris. So in France, I think it's a bit far for most of you, but yeah. So happy to make a demonstration of a project and to meet some people in Europe.
Amazing. Thank you. Richard.
Sorry about that. Hi, everyone. Richard Laframboise with Be Truly Local Incorporated, based out of Michigan here in the United States, near Detroit. What Be Truly Local is a free shoppers app and merchant. Our goal is to bring back the general population that used to go out to local brick and mortar stores back into those stores. So we're using our geofencing technology built into the app with a back-end portal that the merchants craft up their own exclusive promotions that are pushed out of the app. So it's a very user-friendly app, lists all the merchants in the area. They get to be listed for free. They get to place a promotion for free. We also list regional events going on in the area. We prototyped this in downtown Napa last year. We're now launching here in Michigan as a multi-town app. And the next release of our app in a few months is multi-regional, staging us to be able to go national with the app. Unlike some other apps like Fetch as a competitor in some regards, they only focus on the 15 to 20,000 large companies in the USA. We are focusing on the 33 million small businesses across the USA, trying to help them get back to being the economic strength that they've always been in the USA. So we're currently in a pre-seed funding raise, $2 million. We've raised $350,000 so far. Just started that off less than 2 months ago. And we're proceeding. We're setting up partnership with chambers of commerce and digital publishers across the country, and it's our hope to be national in 2 years or less now.
Great. Thank you, Richard. Adam, please.
had to find the unmute button. Most people prefer me on mute. Anyway, good to see you, Payman. So I'm Adam Southam. I am founder and chair of Food for Health. We are a digital health AI SaaS company. And what we do is simple. We about 52% of people who are shopping in the grocery store are reading the labels on the bottles. They don't know really what they mean. And we're boiling that down into a summary that tells you what's good or bad for you. So you walk into Target, there's 145 frozen pizzas. One of them is the worst for you, one of them is the best. We can tell you which one is which and put them in rank order, figure out your taste buds, and tell you not only which one is medically best for you, but which one will taste best to you too. All this is backed by hundreds of thousands of clinical studies. It's a patented system, and we sell into grocery stores, life insurance, health insurance. The app is called GoKnow, and you can download it now for free for a while. Let's see, we've raised $3.2 million in seed money, and we're in the middle of $1 million raise, and we've got about 400,000 left. And then our Series A will be about 10 million, probably first quarter of next year, maybe last quarter of this year. What else am I missing? Well, solving the problem, just to put this in perspective, there are 94 million pre-diabetics in America. Our app can actually reverse diabetes for anyone who wants to, and then give them food to eat that they like better at the same time. So we're a little bit like Uber, keep it simple, make it simple, and make it fun and enjoyable, and don't get covered in water when the taxi drives over you.
All righty. Thank you so much, Adam. Okay, let me go to Greg, please.
Hi, good morning. I'm Greg Frederick with G3 Development Group. We elevate human performance through strengths-based development, leadership development, and the application of neuroscience and organizational development. Our goal is to build an organization that utilizes remote work and AI to create efficiency and scalability while increasing the effectiveness of the work that we do. We specialize in Clifton StrengthsFinder. There's been 33 million people have taken Clifton StrengthsFinder. 80% of the corporate 500 in some fashion have taken StrengthsFinder, and we have a SaaS partner that offers the only Gallup certified strengths-based training and development platform. Another one of our platform partners offers human-centered, data-driven AI models built on insights from a company's human attributes and performance data to predict within 80% accuracy a team member's expected future performance pre-hire, particularly in the sales side of the business. Our solutions include engagement studies, leadership development, manager training, enterprise level coaching, and aligning employee performance to organizational KPIs. Thank you.
Thank you. And Rick, go for it, sir.
My name's Rick Colonna. Name of the company is Quantitative Collectors Group. We're building the world's first digital coin grading microscope. And basically it helps people identify, certify, and monetize their coin that they might have. And we're a recent graduate of Peachscore. We've also been through some physical accelerators, and anybody would like to know how we perceive the differences between virtual and in person, please reach out. I'll give you my contact information in chat. Thanks.
Thanks, Rick. Edward.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Edward Borton, Managing Director and CEO for Allergy Free Goods, based out of the UK. We specialize in finding solutions for allergy sufferers, generally targeted more towards food sufferers, but all allergies really. And we're looking to simplify and bring safety to people when they travel. Food and general contact safety is a huge issue with people traveling, particularly on airlines. So we're looking to be able to provide them with meal options that don't yet exist, as well as on-the-go safety and cleaning supplies. We're looking to innovate protein filtering air masks to prevent any airborne allergens getting into people's systems and things like that. We are very much at the concept stage, very much pre-seed. So we're really at the very beginning of this journey and looking to learn from everybody that is here and the fantastic community that we have access to. So thank you.
Thank you. Let me go to Regina, please.
I'm Regina Tim, CEO and co-founder of Clinicians Touch Alive, and we are a digital health tech company that is developing an app and device to help with maternal health, specifically around cardiovascular disease. And so we are looking for partners that can help us to raise funding to accelerate our development, as well as go to market and go through the FDA regulatory process. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Justin?
Hi, everyone. My name is Justin, and I am the co-founder of OpenVest. So I've actually been in India for the past 6 months building a consumer-facing fintech platform. So the idea is basically to disrupt the entire investment management industry. So if you think about, I'm sure most of you have a Fidelity or a Schwab or a Vanguard account of some type, or one way or another, you guys are investing in different ETFs or different structures on those platforms, or 60-40 portfolios. And basically what we've done, so I was working in New York before, did my MBA at Columbia. We have now just finished our full platform, so we will be launching in the coming, I'd say, 3 or 4 weeks at the most. We are basically providing the same type of returns that you would get in the elite private equity or hedge fund world, but giving it to users at a few clicks of a button on a platform. So if you think about growing your money over time and doing it at a much, much lower cost, so instead of paying the 2% management fee and the 20% performance in those high-performing funds and requiring millions of dollars to even get a buy-in, we're doing it at a low subscription of $3 per month. So essentially, that's what we're doing. It's consumer facing. The market is very, very large. Our serviceable market just within the US is 2.9 billion. And then we're obviously going to expand internationally as well. So if you guys are interested, I would suggest looking at the website and joining the waitlist. So we're still doing the waitlist, and we'll have an early stage referral program as well. So if you can go to openvest.co and click on join the waitlist, there's a waitlist button there. Click get access, enter your name, your email, and then I believe there are 2 questions under that. You can just click submit. And then you will get an email with a referral code, and you can refer other individuals as well. And basically, we have a ranking system, so the people that refer the most will be the ones that are highest ranked and will get the most benefits and be the first ones to start on the platform as we scale.
All right, thank you. Go James, please.
Hi, name's James Thurman. I'm the CEO and founder of Portal Aircraft Company based out of the Dallas, Texas area. What the company does is it builds both manned and unmanned drones that can actually fly much longer range than eVTOLs and have much more flight time. It's based on a patent that I wrote and filed. We're currently at the pre-seed stage. However, I've built a scale prototype, and I'm working on building a full-scale prototype that'll carry 2 people. So I'm here looking. I'm trying to seek out capital to actually accelerate the making of the full-scale prototype. In parallel, I'm actually working on SBIRs, OTAs, and government funding as well. So I'm looking at 2 paths, both a military or government, and also civilian route for the technology.
All right, thank you, James. Let me go to Mo, please.
Yeah, I am Mohammed Saudi, founder Hags. Hags is a software platform for booking sports and health physiotherapy in the Middle East. The first community first community health and wellness in the Middle East. I am joined in NVIDIA incubators and the MCIT Qatar Financial Center, and I hope expand for Egypt and Saudi Arabia. I am finished. Sorry, I am beginner English.
No problem. Thank you so much. Matt, did you want to say hi?
Yeah, I came on the call.
Okay,
Hey
go
guys,
for it.
I am Matt Hakimi. I am the VP of Innovation and Partnerships at Peachscore. I joined the company a few months ago. I just wanted to introduce myself. I also wanted to see what all you guys are working on. You guys can reach out to me as a resource. My experience is in consumer tech. I've built 3 apps, iOS apps, Android apps, web apps, help with go-to-market, any things like that. Reach out to me. You can find me on Slack. And yeah, I'm just excited to work with you guys. I enjoy helping out startups and contributing ideas. So I've spoken to a few of you already, and I'm excited to see all of your progress in the program.
Thanks, Matt. And let me go back to Svetlana. We lost your audio. If you're still with me, I'd love to have you back on stage because we come. Oh, there you are. I can hear you now. Okay, let's start over again. Hopefully the audio won't cut out this time.
Okay, good. So yeah, so I'm working with it's the SaaS platform. It's called Tracify. What it does is traceability of the coffee supply chain in Latin America. They've done some pilot projects already with this, and what's interesting is that with the European Union's new regulation on zero deforestation for coffee imports into the region, Tracify is adding on a module for the European Union to check, I mean, the buyers to check that there has been no deforestation since 2020. So we're working with API, like absorbing APIs from other sources, but also offering the service of georeference of the farms and then putting them the Google Earth mapping of deforestation that the buyers need to make sure that they can still buy the coffee from these farms and export to Europe. So this is done through this platform called Tracify, and of course there will be a lot of investment needed, but we're in the stage of planning what's needed, what type of resources are needed.
Amazing. Glad that worked out this time. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to stop the recording and we'll switch the session over.